Hey guys, what's happening? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with some pretty good announcements from Norfolk Southern through dash9.com rather. More ACEs arriving and coming. 1199 through 1202 were delivered to NS earlier this past week at Muncie and will be put into service at Elkhart. In addition, they've increased the order by 10 SD70 Tier 4 credit units. So it's 50 new units that NS is getting, 1175 through 1224. The one major difference with this recent order is that the units were equipped with IAC, or individual axle control, with one inverter per axle for better tractive effort. The previous orders were all equipped with one inverter per truck. Because of the change, NS has designated the unit as model SD70ACES in its computer system, but the unit is still going to say SD70ACE. And now we see photos of NS 1036 following its wreck repairs at Altoona. Glad to see this engine is back on the rails. That baby looks pretty. More SD70ACEs arrived. 1204 and 1205 were delivered to NS earlier this past week at Muncie, and we put into service at Elkhart. 3 SD70s are at Mayfield getting ready to be stripped down for rebuilding. 25, 51, 53, and 54. 4226 was recently released from Juniata following a repaint. Couple of new SD70ACES, 1823 and 1826, XNS 2542 and 2538. They've been delivered to NS and was rebuilt at Progress Rail at Mayfield, Kentucky, and will be put into service at Bellevue, Ohio. So, man, these babies look good. I love these SD70ACES. Cab looks really cool. The paint job looks good to me. The black looks better than the 1800 and 1801. The black and white looks definitely better. So that is it as far as NS announcements go. I know it's a little mini long list, but it's some rebuilds and some new power is coming on Norfolk Southern. So be on the lookout for brand new power, new ACCs, and new SD70ACEs or SD70ACES with their designated in the computer system, but call them SD70ACES because it's the same external appearance. It's just the individual axle control is what the new difference is with these SD70ACEs. So just call them SD70ACES like all the other ones, and glad to see some new powers coming on NS, especially the credit units, because the credit units are looking good right now. So anyway, let me clarify one thing. Nothing new on the regular Tier 4s for NS. I've been receiving a lot of questions about this. Just please be patient because, I just gotta say I've received a lot of questions about the Tier 4s. Quarter 2 is already here, so just please bear with me as I go through these announcements. So, anyway, there are no other updates on CS. I did that in the last announcement video. So, this concludes the NS updates. I hope all of you guys enjoy them, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, guys, have a great evening, and I'll see you next time.